Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js Sequelize ORM. So today we are going to discuss about the model querying finders. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So in the Sequelize ORM, finders are the methods used to querying a database and retrieve data from a specific model table. These methods make it easy to find one or multiple records that matches the certain criteria in a database table. Sequelize provides a variety of finder methods to suit different querying needs. Some common finder methods: find one. This method finds a single record that matches the set of criteria, like where the username is John. So it will find the record. The find one means one record, a single record where username is John. Okay. Next, we have a find all. Find all retrieves multiple records that matches the set of criteria. Multiple records. So find all where age should be sequelize or greater than. So it says that the age should be greater than 18. It will fetch all that records. Okay. Find and count all. Similar to find all, and this method returns both the results and the total count of the matching records. Okay, so here you can see that find and count all where active is true, so it will have rows and the count. Okay, then we have a find by pk. This method is used to find the records by its primary key, usually the id. Okay, so here you can see find by pk, you can pass the id. Find or create. This method attempts to find a record based on the given criteria and creates if does not exist. Okay, so find and create where user name is John. If not, so it will create that one. Okay, next, we have a find one with association. You can also use the find one with the associations to retrieve the associated records. For example, we have a user model with a has many association to a post model. You can find a user and include their post like this. So user dot find one. So where username is John and where we have to include in the post section. Okay, so this is associations we are going to in detail part in the latest videos, right? Okay, so this is the finders. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.